Recently, one of my student faced one interview point of view question. In supporting project, a core member raised one incident against of functional consultant. The end user posted a document, for example, the 7th February 2024. Document date and posting date and value date also 7th of February 2024. The text is month of February, but actually we have to change the document posting date and document date and posting date is 7th of March 2020. The end user without knowledge, he has posted in February month, but actually the document is going to be record in March month. So now you have to change this document and posting and value date from February 7th to March 7th. At the same time, don't change document number, but you have to change narration text also. Because here you have a month of February, but here you have to record month of March. So this is question. For this, we'll go for practical. Go back to your screen. Go to FB03. I'm choosing any one of the number. Okay, it's fine. This is my practical document information. This document is reflected in 28th February 2024. Document number 7 and basic information. Even I don't have any reference number. If I click here, my narration is a text. Testing. Even if you click here, yes, I can change here my narration. My value date also I can change here. But it's not possible to change my document date and posting date. So now I'm taking this reference. Reference document is 7. Date is 28th of February 2024. And is a document date actually. Posting date is 28 February 2024. Reference is empty. Text of the feedback is test. Okay, so this is now what I want. Have to change document number will be 7 only because I don't want to touch this. Document date will be 7 of March 2024. Posting date will be 7 of March 2024. Reference actually is empty, but I need manual reference number, year of 2024. Text should be changed from 28 February 2024 to 7 March 2024. So I need this kind of changes. So for this, practical concept is document number 7, and please remember, go to press F1. When you click press F1, the system will give you one pop-up. Go to technical information. The table name is BKPF. Because whatever you have posted your document, the document is reflecting into BKPF table. Source of the table. BKPF. Then after, go to SE16 right here BKPF table. What is your company code just before? T4. What is your document number? 7. What's your financial year? 2024. Press enter. Automatically we got this document. Document number 7, year, document type SCA. It's recorded on the same date and period and etc. things. Okay, so just double click on this document. This is nothing but uneditable concept. Here you can't change anything. After access this, right here /h, enter, the debugging switched on. Then after press enter again. When you click here, automatically your system will generate like this. Go to standard. Double click on code. Double click on code. Look here, we have a refresh including tab code. So this kind of changes is applicable in standard tab. So here the variable is code. The code is show. Show is nothing but display. You can't edit anything in our coding. So now just come back here side. You have here, it is called editing mode. Change field content. Yes. Then after, right here capital letters edit. Press enter. Then press F8. F8 is nothing but debugging process. When you click here, automatically your system is going to reflect here. And please change your date. The 7th March 2024 is document date. The posting date will be same. The period will be 3 from 2 to 3. The document entered, because you have to change your debit and credit date both. If you want, you can change your entering time also. Okay, for example, I'm going to write here 12 o'clock. Exact 12 o'clock I have entered here. The user, for example, is SAP user. If you want, you can write other username. You can change your currency. Everything is possible to change here. You can change your FM area, it is required, exchange rates. So I'm going to change the reference ID here. The reference. What is our required reference? Manual reference ID from 2004. At the same time, I'm giving here testing for 7. I'm going to write here document text also. Please check the screen for the header text. Where you have header text, you can fill. Here I'm done. Month of March. So document number 7 is testing. Just enter and save. The database record successfully created. Go back to FB03, document number 7, company code. Look here, the 7 document is changed for and so date. The currency is cleared. The currency value is converted into USD dollars. If you double click on it, 1 minute. Look here, your document text is changed here. Annual document is not reflected. Okay, we'll see. It's reflected and your time also changed, including document date and etc. So everything is updated. Okay, so the reference is not activated. So if you want, just go back and make some changes there. Okay, so whenever you want to edit any existing documents, you can follow this procedure and try to learn the complete scenario, because in interview point of view, you get questions. What you have done if you get this type of issue recently and what type of issues you have faced. So as a consultant, you have to explain the step-by-step concept, what you have done research and how you sort out the issue and everything. And if you want to learn the real-time technical concepts, and you can contact to this number, I will support. Thank you. Have a great time.